हेलो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ क्लास 9 साइंस का चैप्टर 1 मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट मैपिंग और फ्लो चार्ट। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। व्हाट इज मैटर? व्हाट इज मैटर? मैटर एनीथिंग दैट हैज मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई सम वॉल्यूम is known as matter. Anything that have some mass and occupy volume is known as matter. Then what are the state of matter? There are three state of matter. One is solid, second is liquid, third is gases. Solid have definite shape, liquid not have definite shape, and gas it don't have definite shape. In solid it have definite volume, in liquid it have fixed volume, in gas it don't have fixed volume. Solid do not flow, liquid can flow, gas can be flow. Solid particles are closely packed, loosely packed, and gaseous particles are too loosely packed. It is incompressible, it is little compressible, it is highly compressible. Now see, definite shape means it have a definite shape, it does not change its shape easily. It is a cuboid. When you throw it come to this position, but it does not change its shape. But liquid change its shape, and gas also change its shape. It have a definite volume, it is 1 meter cube, and when we throw it also have 1 meter cube. The volume does not change. In water also fixed volume. Take it is 1 meter cube of water. When we take in other container, it also 1 meter cube of water. But in gases it don't have fixed volume, it do not flow. Solid do not flow. Then in solid the particles are closely packed. We know that they have more force of attraction than the liquid and the gases. Solid have fixed shape, liquid not fixed shape, gas not fixed shape. Solid definite volume, liquid definite volume, gas not definite volume. Solid have fixed mass, liquid have fixed mass, gas have fixed mass. Solid have fixed shape, liquid don't have fixed shape, gas have fixed shape. Solid have definite volume, liquid have definite volume, but gas don't have definite volume. Solid fixed mass, liquid have fixed mass, and gas also have fixed mass. Solid it is incompressible, or it cannot compress easily. Liquid little compressible, it can compress easily than the solid, but it is less compressibility than the gas, it is highly compressible. Then solid less space between the particle of solid, moderate space between the particle in the liquid, and in the gas very long space between the particle of gases. In solid is high density, liquid lower density, gas least density. Solid force of attraction between the particles are high, force of attraction between the particles are moderate, force of attraction is less. In solid kinetic energy is low, in liquid kinetic energy is moderate, in gas kinetic energy is more. in solid, slow diffusion; in liquid, fast diffusion; in gas, fastest diffusion. Matter is made up of particles. What are the physical nature of particles? The physical nature of particles. First, particles of matters are continuously moving. The particles of matters are continuously moving, but the particles are particulate. Then, particles of matters have space between them. The particle of matters have space between them. The particle of matter attract each other. These are the three physical nature of the particles. Then changes of state. The changes of state by two different phenomena. First is increasing or decreasing temperature, then increasing or decreasing pressure. First we see increasing temperature. If we increase the temperature, fusion and solidification are occur. Fusion, solid melt to form liquid, is known as fusion. The process due to which solid changes into liquid state by absorbing heat energy is called melting or fusion. Then next is evaporation. What is evaporation? The phenomenon of changes of a liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point. Below its boiling point is known as evaporation. Then what is melting point and what is boiling point? Melting point, the temperature at which solid melt to form liquid, is known as melting point. And boiling point, the temperature at which a liquid start boil to form vapor, is known as its boiling point. Then if we decrease the temperature, again freezing and condensation. Freezing is also known as solidification. Freezing, liquid changes into solid. The process due to which a liquid changes into solid by giving out heat energy. It give out the heat energy or cool down. This process is known as freezing or solidification. Condensation, when vapor changes into liquid. It occurs. The process due to which vapor changes into liquid state by giving out heat energy is known as condensation or liquefaction. Then effect of change of pressure. The effect that when change in pressure. If first sublimation. Effect of change of pressure. Sublimation, the changes of solid into gas directly without going through the liquid state, is known as sublimation. Then deposition, the changes of gas directly into solid without going through the liquid state, is known as deposition. Then factor affecting evaporation. What are the factors that affect the evaporation? First, exposed surface area, then increasing in temperature, third, humidity and wind velocity. These are the factors that affect the evaporation. If surface area increase, evaporation also increase. If increasing in temperature, the evaporation also increase. If humidity is decreased, the evaporation also increase. If we increase the humidity, then evaporation decrease. Then wind velocity, if we increase the wind velocity, evaporation also increase.